Alright, lawn chair mechanic here. Here we are, we're going to start on my daughter's car here. 2014 Chevy Sonic. We're going to change this front bumper cover. First we got to get this old one off. And we're going to change both the headlights. And while we got the headlight out, we're going to try to get a little bit of this dent out of this fender as much as we can. So we'll get started, tear this old one off of here and see if we can get the new one on. Okay, my son's going to start taking the screws out. There's going to probably be a lot of screws in this. I'm assuming we got to take all this off, all these screws. We'll take these headlights out. And I'm sure there's some screws underneath on the bottom. But I'll show you this front one while he starts taking them screws out of here. Here's the new one. It's already black, but it doesn't matter what color it is. I mean, we can always paint it later. That's going to make the car look a heck of a lot better than what it does now. Get that Chevy symbol back on there. The old bow tie. But he's start taking some of these top screws out and we'll go from there and see what we got. Alright, got the front headlights all put on. And the front bumper cover. It's all back together. As you can tell, there's a lot of screws in it. I mean, if you got to do something like this, be prepared to take a lot of screws out. As I took the old one off, you noticed that the headlights just came out in pieces. I mean, they were all mangled. They were just laying in there. It's a wonder they even stayed in there. And they both worked, what was amazing. So, those are done. The only thing I don't have is the trim that goes around it. I'll have to look online, see if I can find that trim. And I really actually need the fog light covers that go over these right here. I could take the ones out of the old one for now and just put them in there so it'll pass inspection. Thing is, in West Virginia, you can't have a hole in the bumper cover. And when they saw the hole, there was a big hole on the one side and it was all cracked. They passed it, but they said that I had to get it fixed. So turned out pretty nice. I mean, this one fender over here is kind of bent out. Or actually, it's bent in. And the bumper cover didn't exactly fit right on the side right here. But other than that, it turned out pretty nice. The grill, as you can see, it's got cracks in it too. But I'm not really worried about the grill. It'll pass inspection with the holes in the grill. The bumper was what I was worried about, and the headlights. I had to actually put clear tape over the cracks and seal the light up for them to pass inspection. So that's the thing about a state that has state inspections. You have to have the headlights sealed, no holes, no rust. These things are so cheap made. Everything's plastic on them. Any little bump that you're going to hit somebody or just tap somebody, you're going to crack. It's plastic. It's just, they don't make cars like they used to, I tell you. But my daughter paid for all this. She bought all this stuff out of her own money. And I mean, it's her car. This is what she drives to school in. She goes to college and she needs a vehicle. So we have to get it fixed up and so we can get it inspected for her. She paid for it all, so she's a good girl, so. Alright, so the only thing I got left to do is this side mirror. Maybe I'll start on that right now, see what happens. Try to get this old one off at least. Okay, next thing you gotta do is you gotta adjust the headlights. There's an adjustment right here on the back of the headlights, on both of them. You just turn that one way or the other. It aims your headlights up or down. And that's what we'll do right now. When this job's done, then we can do this side mirror maybe when the weather gets a little nicer. But this is the main thing I was worried about. I'm going to try to find this trim to go around the headlights. And we'll put the covers over the fog lights. I can get those for like 25 bucks a piece. It's a shame for a piece of plastic, 25 bucks, but you got to do what you got to do. So, hey, thanks for watching. It's Lawn Chair Mechanic. Till next time, you guys take care.